Hello, my beautiful friends. Today, we're using one of the most powerful ingredients for glowing, youthful skin, honey. It deeply nourishes, smooths fine lines, reduces pigmentation, and leaves your skin looking radiant and healthy. First recipe, brightening and nourishing. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of yogurt, half a teaspoon of honey, ¼ teaspoon of cinnamon, This mask hydrates the skin, gently exfoliates, and gives a natural glow. How to use: apply the mixture to clean face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm water, then splash with cool. Pat dry and apply a light moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. More glow-boosting recipes are on the way. Second recipe, refreshing and soothing. Ingredients: grate a small piece of fresh cucumber. Add 1/2 teaspoon of honey. This blend cools irritated skin, tightens pores, and deeply hydrates. How to use: apply gently to your face, neck, and chest. Leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool. Moisturize after. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Friends, write in the comments where you're watching from. Third recipe, glow and texture improvement. 1 teaspoon of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of milk, half a teaspoon of honey. This mask evens out skin texture and brings back natural radiance. How to use: apply a thin layer to clean skin, face, neck, and chest. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Apply moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. If you liked this recipe, like the video, leave a comment and share it with a friend. Fourth recipe, deep nourishment and elasticity. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of castor oil, a few drops of vitamin E. This powerful combo smooths fine lines, improves elasticity, and deeply repairs the skin barrier. How to use: apply the mixture to face, neck, and hands. Massage gently for a minute. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water, then finish with cool. Use 2 to 3 times a week. don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a glow-up recipe. Fifth recipe, collagen boosting and rejuvenating. Ingredients: 1/2 teaspoon of collagen powder, 1/2 teaspoon of honey, a little water. This mask boosts collagen production and restores firmness. Mix until smooth. How to use. Apply the mixture to clean face, neck, chest and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm water, then splash with cool. Pat dry and apply a light moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Sixth recipe, softening and wrinkle smoothing. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of vaseline, This blend deeply moisturizes, softens dry areas, and reduces the appearance of wrinkles. How to use. Apply the mixture to clean face, neck, chest and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm water, then splash with cool. Pat dry and apply a light moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.